In a busy plaza, a cheerful prankster activates a motion sensor that triggers a robotic parrot to mimic nearby voices, creating funny misunderstandings. As people chat, the parrot repeats their words with goofy mispronunciations, prompting laughter and quick clips from bystanders. The reveal shows the contraption is powered by a discrete backpack unit, while the parrot is a lifelike puppet synced to a hidden mic. After the funniest exchanges, participants realize the parrot has been trained to mirror cafe chatter and offer unexpected compliments. The video ends with warm applause and a message about harmless pranks that brighten days.